Oh, shit. God damn, that was like 4 cracks in one.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Make 'em Laugh, Ferb, all the way from Miami-Dade County, baby, 305. I stay live. I do a lot. I travel a lot. I drive. I dance. I act. I model. I play basketball. So, you know, he gonna get me right. Come on, I need shit.
Oh. Oh, God. Oh, my. Fuck yeah, I'm finna be feeling rejuvenated.
I don't feel nothing how I did before. It was a little tense before. Feeling like a bad bitch in this bitch. Yeah. Come to Dr. Luke. Please. He just got me right.